Okay, so we are out taking care of some picture and film cars, and working with vehicles that have gone through the art department and have gone on a show and went through the aging process. I guess you wouldn't say the aging process, where they actually age it with the makeup on the vehicles, and we're taking that off. So of course you can see back here, looks like the paint's failing, looks like it's kind of peeling and everything. That's all makeup. And then this is after we bring it back and we get that stuff off. So just a good example here. I'll let you see. So yeah. Haven't done this yet, this fender. As you can see, all this is just what we're using to get it off. But as you can see, otherwise it doesn't just wipe off. You have to use the process to get it off. So taking care of picture and film cars. Here you go. So just got finished, and this is the picture car. After we got all the art off of it, as you can see, turned out awesome. Top, bottom, all the way around. Caitlin, we gotta open this one back up because it didn't wipe the inside of the windows. Pretty car.